up, guys? Today is Friday. Finally, Friday. The very best day of the week because today is Snap on Friday. Let's go see what he's got. You guys are going to like this one. Stick around. What are you doing over there? Hey, what are you doing? Denutted it. Show everybody what you got. Silver Eagle, 3/8 impact. It's been weeks since day one. Been weeks, man. Yeah. What you can do with it? Braid it off. Come on, guys. Y'all know it's not that easy. You gotta watch all the way to the end. Dark in here. Diesel's like, dang, it's dark back here. Woo! What did you send a picture? I didn't even check my phone. I see I got my prize in this week.
Got a little something for Bill back there too. He's staring at the truck.
Waiting on Daddy to get back. Me and Hamilton went to eat lunch together and Diesel had to wait on us today. What you got back there for Bill?
Got a torch set back in the back.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
I might have to wait on this 3/8 impact now.
Nah, we throw them all on there, Bill. It ain't hard to.
Man,
you ain't payments getting up too high.
Bill, have you ever had Hamilton do you wrong?
Never ever. Not once.
Me neither.
Maybe a red one. That was a drink.
Got all kind of stuff up here on the table today.
I told you wrong on the color, Bill. Red.
Oh, man.
Got a boot on it though.
I'm going to have to knock some money off of it now. It ain't the right color.
I get you a green boot we throw on top of it.
Be like a Christmas impact then, red and green. We got all kind of cool stuff up here.
Got a bunch of cordless, a bunch of air. Been selling the fire out of it this week too.
That's what you need right there, Bill. That is the best snap-on tool.
Bill said he's been wanting a long shaft for a long time.
You might as well go and get that too, Bill.
What's the torque rating on this?
45 foot-pound.
But you can use it like a regular ratchet.
Yeah, it'll hold over 200 manual.
It'll do that deal.
Power down too.
Contemplating. That right there is the face of thought. Yeah.
Those are heavy.
Go, Bill.
Got me a lunch box.
Bill's new baby.
Oh, thing's heavy, ain't it? He said, let a rusted bolt come in here now. He's cutting her off.
Do what?
He said, let a rusted bolt come in here now. He said, it can't be tight if it's a liquid. That's all right.
Tell you what, that air hammer.
That air hammer is a bad mama jama, ain't it, Bill?
Mama jama, I promise.
We used mine the other day and it didn't have the balls, but Bill's knocked it right off there.
Thought the rim ring seal was leaking on that transmission valve. I pulled the flywheel off to check it. It wasn't leaking. It was the front of the transmission that was leaking. Anyway, when the flywheel was off, instead of using the slide hammer to pull the pilot bearing out, flipped it over and used my air hammer.
And bad.
Right on out.
Bam. What you doing back here? You shopping? I need to get you a snap-on dog collar, don't we? Seen Hamilton had a bunch of stuff on the truck today, and a lot of stuff that was on sale that was pretty good deals, especially if you was looking for some cordless stuff. So let's go and take a look, see what they got. First thing I bought was the double soft-sided dead blow. This one is a 32 ounce. The part number is a HBFE32. So this will come in super handy. Alright, the next thing we bought, as you can see, I have now got a green CT761 and it has a red boot on it. Why does it have a red boot on it? Because Bill has a green CT761 and we can tell at a distance that this is mine and his is green. Plus I prefer red. He didn't have a red one. This is a used one. I got a good deal, so there we go. Alright, so Bill also upgraded from his Matco Silver Eagle, as you guys seen the footage, to a snap-on. So that's super awesome. Let's see, this part number is a MG325. Bill got a smoking deal on this. It was a brand new gun Hamilton had for a guy, and he decided to keep it a week. Decided he wanted a green one, so Bill lucked out, got a super smoking deal on this. So Bill's got a new gun. And Bill got his torch set. He ain't even opened it. It's brand new. So, brand new torch set. I don't know what the part number is, because I ain't got a part number on the bag. But I don't want to take it out of here because that's Bill's, but I'll give y'all a little sneak peek. And looky here. Brand new, unburned up, undirtied, unkinked, unfrazzled hoses. So, it's great. Bill can be a cutting man now. And the last thing I got, as you guys seen, we unloaded 2 toolboxes today. This is the Blue Point version. That's gonna go in my pickup. That part number is a KRW183C. And Matthew got a brand new electric green box, as you guys seen. That part number is a KRL1163PKH. Not electric green, orange, electric orange. I told you it's hot. I'm almost having a heat stroke. As you can see, I've got one little dry patch right here. It's been a long, hot, hell of a, with a V, day. Hell of a day. Anyway, sorry about the mix up with my colors. It's just too much with the green. Anyway, that's my video today, guys. I'm finding a drink. I'm going in the AC. Let my brain cool off a little bit because I definitely need it. That's my video. Hope you liked it. If you do, be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe down here below. It's free. It don't cost you a dime to subscribe. And that way you will always have the newest content that we have. You guys have a great weekend, and we will catch y'all next time. Damn, it's hot today. Hot. Hot. Did you not get that impact? Oh, you ordered it? Green. Green. That's an upgrade.